Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't know the something go. For those who are new to the channel, I am your host, Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. And me a reminder now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, just a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel and Busta Rhyme create pandemonium in our world music. Now, viewers and subscribers, in 8 years, yes, it has been that long, Busta Rhymes has announced his first solo album in 8 years, viewers and subscribers, Extinction Level Event 2, and Vybz Kartel, the king of the dancehall genre, will be a part of the project. He said no later than this weekend the project will drop, viewers and subscribers. Definitely an exciting moment in our music history for dancehall and for hip-hop. Now, Busta Rhymes, viewers and subscribers, has been a long-term supporter of the Gaza Nation. Years now. And not just now, him and Vybz Kartel are linked. And one thing with Busta Rhymes, definitely an outspoken artist. When Vybz Kartel initial sentence was handed out, him say it was an outrage. One of the first person who stated that, watching this couldn't happen overseas. Very confident that it was a win, as was I and majority of the Gaza Nation. But we know what really take place. It's not that the teacher's sentence was lawful. So we did number 2. You know what I mean? Dwell upon that. But this project, viewers and subscribers, first solo album in 8 years, Busta Rhymes. Busta not just one of them artists that were just bust recently. You know? Busta like the place from the 90s. Busta bust before Teacher. Put that into perspective. And we have also said this too. Vybz Kartel has worked with more dance hip-hop superstars than majority of these dancehall artists were currently make certain talk and make certain statements. Even artists where we can consider as green card holders, people who are seek citizenship in North America, signed to a North American record label, still has not worked with the names in the hip-hop or R&B industry that Vybz Kartel has worked with, and them still now link up. It's almost Teacher make a statement. Him say, yo, anywhere him there, I could have jailed the ladies a visit. And the same thing for producers and artists. Despite Vybz Kartel's current situation, Vybz Kartel is still the go-to artist for a dancehall feature. Not saying that international artists have not worked with other names, and we want them to work with other names. Popcorn's track has been added to Barack Obama's playlist. We'll talk about it soon. Now, that's a big accomplishment for dancehall music. One hand can't clap. Vybz Kartel can't do it alone. Plus, you see what the state are going with, having him behind the bars and things of that nature. But at the same time, him still are putting the work, viewers and subscribers, for the culture. Very few artists are putting the work for the culture, and now we know this. Look for when them can never boast about. So them song a trend. Trend them at all about. How is that helpful for the culture? How is that helping to put dancehall on the map worldwide? Them not have it into perspective. Them not see the big picture. Them feel like for obvious song a trend is it. That is not it. The fact that there's no dancehall category at the Grammys, the fact that dancehall artists are not even mentioned in the same breath as reggae artists, These are the things that should be of concern for dancehall artists. But no, you see what go on. Them a run off of the dub money. Not seeing that these are some of the players locally who have stopped the growth of dancehall music. As somebody point out, when dancehall, the showcasing of dancehall, the stage shows, the dancehall dance them, when these events are not being supported, and yes, remember, majority of the money come from international tours and shows, but think about it, why you feel like say even artists we are trying to bust and them reside overseas, them still forward out here, and forward the dance them, and get them songs played by the selector. Why you think international dancers still forward out here to see the dance routine by local dancers? And yes, so the thing there. It's a grassroots movement, you have to think about it. You know? It starts from the side. And without your song having a buzz locally, yeah, you can get the views and people know you internationally. But dancehall as a music will not recognize you. And internationally, when people talk about authenticity, if you're going to say dancehall and nobody a yard now say you, then how will you prove authenticity? You don't know the word though. Think about it. Put it into perspective. Definitely a good look. You don't know something going to have all the reasoning viewers and subscribers. Yo, I can tell you this. The Vybz Kartel, the Busta Rhymes and Vybz Kartel jacket. I go shake up world music. We have never seen Vybz Kartel featuring Busta Rhymes or Busta Rhymes featuring Vybz Kartel, and it not do the numbers worldwide. We're not just talking about locally, we are talking about worldwide. I mean, definitely, Busta is definitely a creative artist as a rapper. You know what I mean? As a person who can even add the Jamaican flow to the something. Vybz Kartel is a dancehall artist, very prolific. Extremely talented. We know some other artists we can use to compare Vybz Kartel to. And you have artists who do it big. Drop lyrics where people have to say, yo, Vybz Kartel himself say when him just start forward a studio, he must say, yo, nobody can match my rhythm. That's a Buju. Yeah. A Buju the legend. He must say, no, he not feel like some other artists could have bring the lyrical content to the ears of fans locally or internationally. Saying dancehall music and no go harder than Buju. And in this day and age, Buju are the reggae right now. And dancehall is in very capable hands. Because I tell you, we don't listen to the entire Buju catalog, but we know Vybz Kartel. And I tell you nothing. Unmatched. No dancehall music. I still have to state that. Unmatched. And we have heard Buju state say, watching them. Vybz Kartel song stimulating thought process. That's a high honor. If you're a Rasta superstar, if you say. So the artist music a stimulate him events. The thought process of going to the lyrical content. Teacher say, oh, Germany wrote a Benz its luxury eternally. Some people they've not premeditated say, yo, a Germany, the luxury vehicle known as the Mercedes Benz. That is where it was made. That is where the concept for the car was originated. It's a German automobile. No people don't know. But Vybz Kartel do that. Put that in a music. Whether or not you would know. He knows that some would understand, overstand. Some would not. But him still put the lyrical content there because of the theme thought process is unique. Him link up with some German producers, match up a German track. These are just the thoughts that forward to theme mind. It probably wouldn't forward to yours. Maybe that's about Adidas. Maybe that's something about Puma. If you even have that knowledge. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look. I look forward to the song. Let me know if you not look forward to the song as well, viewers and subscribers. Let me know your thoughts. History in the making. Vybz Kartel and Busta Rhymes have stated that. History in the making. Everybody a look out for it. Every producer, every artist, everybody a look out for that project. Vybz Kartel, the only dancehall artist. that is a part of the project. You know what I mean? Big win for the genre. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon, and then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there to drop a like on the blog from a like with your share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, you know the settings are up, move settings from our own need and ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until we reason again.